Here we have the 2020 Alpha Wolf 26RL with a nice large pass-through storage area, electric stabilizing jacks, good solid steps, place to connect your TV outdoors with the power outlet, cable and satellite, and outdoor speakers. If we step inside, you'll see that we have opposing slides that really open this place up. With a freestanding table, theater seats with heat and massage directly across from the big screen TV. Trifold sofa adds additional sleeping. Your fireplace and stereo system. Pantry that is as deep as the slide, so plenty of storage space. Kitchen island with farm style sink. A buffet with storage above and additional counter space, as well as your microwave, your standard RV refrigerator, and your 3-burner stove with small oven. You'll see additional storage to the side of the kitchen system, including a drawer and cabinet, a little area above as well, and additional storage underneath the kitchen island. Coming back down the hall to the bedroom and bathroom, we have a pass-through bathroom or Jack and Jill with the radius shower. Plenty of space for linens. Walking through the bedroom, you'll see a queen-size memory foam mattress, wardrobe on either side, storage above, and windows provide a lot of additional lighting. Coming back through, walking back into the main living area. Once again, you have the 2020 Alpha Wolf 26RL.